Hi friends, this is my Honda Lead Electric Scooty 49cc. The problem is I am not solving the issue. What is the problem with this? I am trying to. I have checked it, opened its carburetor, and checked it. Carburetor is working well, but no problem is with the screws. Now you can see screw full tight. Half one, half two, to this, and the half is the other oil. This is air combustion oil. Is the accelerator is a 2, and this is 1 half turn. And now I need your suggestion. Okay, what should I do? But now I am starting. I try to start. You can see it. The no response. Still no response. Please give me your feedback. Your help is very appreciated. Your progression in this regard is very highly appreciated. Please give me your suggestions that what should I do for this scooty. Or you can send me the picture of plug, which plug is to be used for this. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.